How to stop or manage YouTube TV autoplay queue. If you'd like to stop or manage YouTube TV's autoplay queue, here are two methods. Method 1. Disable autoplay. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, streaming device, or web browser. Go to Settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. Find Autoplay option. Scroll down and locate the Autoplay section in the Settings menu. Turn off Autoplay. Toggle Autoplay on Start to Off to prevent videos from automatically playing when you open the app. Toggle Autoplay Next Episode to Off to stop the next episode in a series from playing automatically. Method 2. Manage the Up Next queue. Play any video. Start playing any video on YouTube TV. Access the Up Next queue. Press the down button on your remote to view the list of upcoming videos in the queue. Remove videos individually. Highlight a video you want to remove, press the Options button, 3 dots, and select Remove from queue. Clear the entire queue. If your device supports it, look for the Clear All option and select it to empty the entire queue. By following these steps, you can easily control and stop autoplay or manage your video queue on YouTube TV.